So good evening everyone. Update na diri sa traffic guys. Lapu-Lapu City. Ito yung update diri traffic. Traffic kayo nila Lapu-Lapu guys. Mayo 28. Traffic sa kagabion. Support my vlog, Three Kings Vlog. Thank you for watching everyone. Everybody. Traffic kayo guys. Lapu-Lapu ni guys. By Three Kings Vlog. Traffic situation. Traffic kayo. Buot kayo dan. Traffic kayo din lugar. Lapu-Lapu ni siya. Lapu-Lapu Road. Natay Macdo dire, ganahan mo manihapon. Are mo manihapon Macdo. Traffic kayo ay. Traffic kayo from Ayala. Going to Ayala, Lapu-Lapu. Traffic kayo Lapu-Lapu guys. Be careful tatanan, enforcer. Lapu-Lapu lang sa kalam. Traffic situation from Lapu-Lapu. Thank you for watching. Sa lahat ng nanonood ng video ko, thank you for watching. Support Three Kings Vlog. Natay Jollibee, ganahan mo manihapon. Natay Jollibee. Katong ganahan manihapon sa Jollibee, natay Jollibee. Times Square from Lapu-Lapu.